Hi, I'm Shelley Wood and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple little dress that will fit your 4 to 5.5 inch or 10 to 14 centimeter tall dolls, like Mattel's Kelly dolls, vintage strawberry shortcake dolls, I just love them, they're so cute, and many other dolls in this size range. Now before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out the 2 pieces shown here. You're going to fold the bodice so the front and the back touch. Now sew across the shoulder and then fold the other side of the bodice and sew across this shoulder as well. Invert the bodice so your seams are hidden inside. Hem the long side of the skirt by folding the edge of the fabric once and then a second time with, we want a very tiny 3/8 inch or 5 millimeter fold. Use a whip stitch to hem this. Now if you need help with your whip stitch, I do have a tutorial for that. Please look in the description below this video on YouTube to access that tutorial. Next we're going to gather the unhemmed side of the skirt. Do not tie off your gathers though until you're sure that the skirt will fit the bodice with just a little bit of about an 8 or 9 millimeter overhang on each side. Now stitch the gathered part of the skirt to the bottom of the felt bodice. You're going to want to keep your right sides together. That means the finished sides are together. So if you look here, you can see from this side it looks finished, but where I'm sewing it doesn't. So I can see the inside of the shirt part or the bodice part right here, but I need to leave those edges open on either side as well with that little bit of an edge overhanging. Okay, we're going to create a double fold hem on those edges. Again, you're going to fold once and then a second time, and then we're going to whip stitch all along this to create that hem along the outside edges of the skirt, just like you see me doing here. Now your dress should look like this on the inside where you have your seams, and it looks like this on the outside. And here I am showing you a 3D version so you really get a feel. You can see those edges on both sides are now hemmed, and then on the outside it looks like it's ready to finish off. And so what we're going to do next, we will attach some size 1/0 Dritz snaps down the back. And now you're ready to try it on your doll, and she is so precious. Look at that. For more free printable sewing patterns, for making doll clothes that will fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos and my free patterns, please share them on social media. It actually helps my website grow when you help spread that word.